So how to land a job in IT? Pretty much the first idea is to just get friends. The easiest way to get into IT or become a programmer is pretty much through connections. The better connections you have, the easier it is to get somewhere a better job. It is simple as that. So, gather friends, talk to people, and be more communicative. It's always better. And even if you don't have like a friends in IT, when you're a better talker, it's way easier to actually land a job when you're on the interview and whatnot. The idea is to just be kind of true to yourself. So pretty much when someone is talking about something and you don't know what they are talking about, just say it. Lots of people have this ego problem that they are trying to play around the, let's say, thing that they don't know anything about, and it just looks totally bad. Like, don't do that. Just say, I don't know, and that's it. Another idea is to ask people. So it's nothing wrong to ask, even if you're a senior with like 10 years of experience. The idea is not to know everything, but the idea is to be able to solve problems. And to solve problems easier, you just need to ask people. You just need to ask on forums. You just need to try and figure out stuff on yourself. Also, lots of different ways just to solve a problem. You're paid to solve a problem, not to not ask people. Of course, it depends if there's NDA and whatnot, but you can always play around it, try to ask different questions and whatnot. So there's always a way to do it. Another thing is, ask an experienced guy how to actually solve something in a certain technology. Ask people how to make a CV. So, for example, there's a guy who works in like a Tesla and whatnot, and you might ask him, "Hey, bro, how to make a cool CV? What do you think about it?" And pay him some money. So, I don't know, depending on where you live, it might be $50, it might be $200, whatever. If you want to land it, just ask the best people that there are. That's the whole idea. And the last thing that is also very important is to be goddamn clean. Lots of people are literally looking like some hobos and whatnot. Literally just pick up a shirt, pay some woman to actually help you or some guy who knows style, how to actually look, and just do that. And that's pretty much the whole idea behind it. Thank you for watching and good luck.